Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video because I'm going to try together with you new products that I have just featured in my previous haul. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it for you down below in my description box, and I'll put it here or here somewhere up on the card. But before doing that, I want to give it a huge shout out to Read Your Heart company, because they were kind enough. They reached out to me and they were asking me if I want to receive a few of their exquisite jewelry, and of course I said yes, especially because I have seen previously my friend here on YouTube, Frances from the channel Happiness Sparkle. She was very much into those beautiful pieces, so I will link Frances' channel down below in my description box. I'm sure that you all heard about Read Your Heart. They are an amazing, beautiful company. Their main products are Moissanite or Moissanite. I'm going to guide you through some information about the company. Then I'm going to show you the pieces and give you more information about them. Read Your Heart Jewelry celebrates the happiest moment in life with you, encapsulating those treasure moments into modern, timeless jewelry you'll want to wear each and every day. Whether it's a perfect piece for yourself or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, we hope your unique jewelry will serve as a joyful keepsake for many years to come. Thank you for allowing us to capture those precious memories for you. Let me tell you what is Moissanite, because you might be all wondering what is that. So Moissanite is a gemstone born from the stars. It was discovered in 1893 by a French scientist named Henri Moissan, who later won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. He discovered microscopic particles of the gem. He initially thought that he had discovered diamonds, but later determined that the crystals were composed of a silicon carbide. Natural Moissanite is incredibly rare, so Moissanite available today is a lab created. After many years of trial and error, the particles Moissan discovered were successfully synthesized to produce what is now one of the world's most scintillating gemstones. What are the benefits of Moissanite? It's a lab created with minimal environment impact. It's also less expensive per carat than many other gemstones and has a hardness of 9.25, suitable for daily wear, so it's very good quality. Now let me show you briefly what I received in my package. So first of all, we have I got a gift bag, which is very beautiful. I love this color. And you have a Read Your Heart, Record Your Memories, where you can get more information about the company and also about the Moissanite, so basically what I just told you. You have a authenticity Moissanite report certified by Gra. So first of all, we have a beautiful box. I absolutely love this jewelry box. It has here written Read Your Heart, and it's a baby green or a baby blue, but I will say it's more like a green, but you for sure can see it translated on camera on blue. And inside you have a cushion where it's the most beautiful ring that I ever seen, and this is the Moissanite Series Fashion 6-prong sterling silver ring that retails for $78.85 US. This has 1 carat. It's also available in 2 and 3 carat. So for 1 carat the price is $78.85, and the price goes a little bit higher if you update your carat. So this is the size 7 US, and it's a true size for my finger, so I had no problem to fit it on my finger. And the second piece that I received, and I'm already wearing it, I'm wearing it throughout this video as well as the ring, is the Emerald Series Silver Oval Necklace. This retails for $65.88 US, and I'm going to stand up to see it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm a sucker for green gemstones. I think it's so cute, so dainty, and looks gorgeous for sure. Looks that you are wearing diamonds. I also have a discount code for you that it will entitle on getting 15% discount site-wide. The discount code is Julia15. What I love about Read Your Heart is the fact that they do offer free worldwide shipping for orders over $89 US, and you have also 30 days of free return. So yeah, thank you again, Read Your Heart, for sending me those amazing, beautiful products. Do not forget, guys, to check out my description box for more information. And now let's go ahead and see how I achieve this look and what are my thoughts about the products that I've used in today's video. I've already done my primer. I have used my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas primer. I'm trying to use up this as much as possible because it's old, and I'm going to add the eyeshadow primer. This is the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow. I'm going to start with the Lancome foundation, and this foundation is not new. It has been released a year ago. I'm going to use my beloved Sonia G, the jumbo base brush I just showed you in my haul, and I'm very excited. I didn't wash it, so it's just the new one. Yeah, okay. I can tell that the shade is a little bit lighter for me. We are going to warm it up with bronzer. I don't want to combine it. I want to see if the foundation is as good as the previous one. And I forgot to show you in my haul, this foundation, it's also coming with a brush, but I don't want to use that brush. I want to use my Sonia G. So the foundation is very emollient and blends out like a dream. Also the brush, I think it's helping. To finish up the texture of the face, I'm going to use a sponge. This is by e.l.f. I just want to press. So yeah, the shade, it's not exactly matching me right now, but I like the finish. It's like a demi matte. It's not completely matte, it's more like a satiny. I still see a little bit of a glow. And now let's move on with the concealer, which, spoiler alert, I've already tried it. So this is the Tanned Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer in the shade Ivory. Usually I'm beige ivory for foundation, and being the fact that the foundation is porcelain, hence the pink undertone. Let's use the Sonia G, the Jumbo Concealer. So those brushes are both from the Fusion collection. However, I wasn't interested to purchase the full collection. I wanted just those brushes for the beginning. So if I'm interested in other brushes, I can anyway buy them later. So just a hint, if you think that you cannot afford or too much of an investment to buy a larger set of brushes or a more expensive set of brushes from Sonia G, you can start with individual brushes. Alright, I think it does a perfect job. It really blended my concealer in no time. Going with powder, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Translucent Setting Powder, which, spoiler alert, I like it, and the Becca for my under eye area. And after that I will come back to try the Charlotte Tilbury, the Instant Look in a Palette Sunset Dreamscape. Everything is set, and also I took the opportunity to fill in my brow, so I'm using a LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil and a brow product that I really enjoy. This is a L'Oreal Plump and Set Brow Artist. It's in clear, but I love the brush. It's a little bit bent, and it does a good job on applying the product it's not over applying, so you don't have like white strokes like it happened with other brow setting gels, and it's setting the brows perfectly throughout the entire day. So what I want to do with this palette, because I was mentioning that I wanted to get this palette to have it for when I'm going on vacation or just a weekend getaway. I don't want to pack with me my entire makeup collection, so I just want to have my essentials. And I'm going to take a Rephr 15 and I'm going to dip it into this shade called Face. This is the only matte transition shade, so this palette is universal. You can use the shades for both eyes and face. This shade blends perfectly, and of course thanks to the Rephr brush, which is amazing. Now going to another Rephr brush. This is brush number 26. I'm going with the shade Chic Swish number 5. The shadows are nice, they are very pigmented, and just keep in mind that we are working with the face shades. So going with the bronze shade on my lower lashes. And now with a tiny little brush I'm going to take the shade Free or Eye Smoke. Now for my entire lid I'm going to take a Rephr 28 and going with the shade Eye Enhance, which is the shade number 2. I'm going to take the shade Face Highlight. Let's also use the lighter shade. Moving on, I want to use my double-ended liner. So you have a lighter shade and a Plump. Alright, for my lashes, I have used this L'Oreal Pro XXL Lift. That it's a double-ended mascara. So you have the side number 1 where you have a primer, and then you have a mascara that helps to lift your lashes. This doesn't smudge whatsoever. I know that you all are familiar with the one that is coming with a white tube. I think that one is their most popular, and that is for sure a tubing mascara, but they came out with a new formula which I'm loving. Moving on face, I'm going to take the Rephr 04, which is this brush, or maybe no. I'm going to take the Rephr 05 for my bronzer and going with the shade number 4. This might be a tad lighter for me. No, it's perfect. I would have rather preferred to have 2 shades for bronzer and 1 for blush. But hey, that is what we have to work with. Alright you guys, so this is my full face using only shadows from the Charlotte Tilbury, the Instant Look in a palette. Yeah, I'm pleased with my acquisition. I'm for sure going to pack it with me on my upcoming vacations. Because we are speaking about Charlotte Tilbury, I have 3 lip liners to use, so I think I'm going to take the Pillow Talk, because I've seen today Teresa and 83, she was using this on her video, and I told her if I don't forget I'm going to use the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. The problem is it's not very visible, maybe I should add a tad of concealer. So this is a trick. Yeah, this shade is a light peach shade, so maybe I'm going to go with the Walk of No Shame just to enhance a bit. And now for lip, I'm going to use the Hyaluronic HappiKiss Color Balm in the shade Happipetal. So this is what the packaging looks like. like all Charlotte Tilbury packaging is gorgeous. So you have to twist. I'm not a big fan of this. It's not like the one from Tarte, so let me show you. The one from Tarte, it's different, the maracuja lip stuff. It's in angle. I don't know if you can tell. This is also in angle, but this is a little smaller. And the application, it's perfect, I would say. Also, I don't feel that I waste product like I did with this one. It's not bad, but just keep in mind that you might need a brush. So I'm going to retouch that, and after that I'll come back. And this is the final look. I definitely think that the face palette matched with the lip situation, even though I wasn't so pleased with the way that it was applying. And I'm loving almost everything I've tested today. A huge shout out to Read Your Heart for sending me those amazing jewelry, the engagement ring and the necklace. Do not forget to check out my description for more information, discount code, use Julia15 to get 15% site-wide. And yeah, check all those wonderful products because you deserve to be spoiled. And it's not only for you, you can offer a beautiful gift to someone special in your life. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I'm going to come with updates related to the product that I used today, but so far I'm very satisfied with the eyeshadow with the face palette that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to update, or maybe I'm going to do a separate word test for the Lancome concealer and Lancome foundation. And of course I'm loving the Eyes to Mesmerize in shade Marie, in the shade Oyster Pearl. And the last new product that we had in today's video was this double-ended eye pencil, which I'm loving. If you are on the go, you can only use this Eyes to Mesmerize shadow on the entire lid and smoke a bit the darker shade of this pencil on your outer V, and you are good to go. Mascara, lipstick, and bam, out the door, madam. Okay, and it's time for me to get out of my door for today's video, so I'm signing out here. I want to wish you a wonderful day. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video.